Hi everyone, welcome back to Soulmate Adventures. Today we are taking you on a quick tour of our room at the Hyatt Regency Tokyo Bay, where we stayed one night after a quick visit to Tokyo Disneyland. We were assigned room 603, which is a deluxe room with 2 twin beds. The room felt pretty spacious, with a nice little sitting area here by the window and a spacious sofa. You can see here that they've pushed the 2 beds together since we were 2 adults with a child. And over here we have a small table with a phone, writing pad, and universal outlets, as well as USB and USB-C outlets. Next to the TV here we have a coffee maker, kettle, bottled water. And here we have some coffee pods and tea bags. And down below here, we have a mini fridge. Okay, let's check out the drawers here. Ooh, we've got some pajamas. I love that they provide pajamas in all the hotels we've been to in Japan so far. And it looks like over here, they've even provided a cute little amenity kit for our daughter. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, a little toothbrush. Some cute little slippers. And a washcloth. So cute. Back to the hallway, we have a small closet with a bench, some slippers, there's a safe in that drawer there, and on the wall here we have a shoehorn, shoe brush, and flashlight. The bathroom is nice and spacious with lots of counter space. I love that they've provided a lot of complimentary amenities. We have some toiletries here. Toothbrushes, a razor, shaving gel. We have a hairbrush, some cotton pads and cotton swabs. And the toilet here is, of course, a bidet toilet. Over here, we have a separate shower room with a bathtub. The water pressure was very good. Okay, it's morning now, so let's check out our view. It's a beautiful sunny day and we have a lovely view of the park and the ocean. Alright, I'm going to make some coffee now and sit by the window to enjoy the view. We were only here for a short stay, so I apologize that I didn't get footage of the rest of the hotel, but hopefully you found this video helpful. Check out our blog post linked in the description box below to read our full hotel review, including information on the complimentary Disney shuttle. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'll be posting a lot more Asia content soon. Thanks, and see you in the next video.